given, actually, so now in this problem here, we're given some information here, and that we are having to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Now, here we have angle A and angle F both equal 30. Let's take a look at where A and F fall. So we have A and F. So this is right. I definitely want to look here. If A did not match up with F in its first spot, then I would still put this information there because I might need it to help me find some other missing parts. Okay, but I know I now have an angle. Let's go ahead and put this A and F in. So we know that this is 30 degrees, right, at A and F. Go ahead and get you an arc there, and we have us an A being developed. All right, so I have my A's in both parts that correspond and that they are congruent. Now let's go to the angle B and E. We notice that B and E are the parts that correspond, and they are equal. So this is a 90 at B and E. So let's go ahead and get us a 90 drawn in here. Now you can make you an arc, or you could have put in the 90 degree square, right? Get that square in there. All right, so let's go ahead and say that I have another A here. Let's put the A, keep this A with this 90, get this A with this 30. Okay, so I have my A's. Now let's look at what else is given. BC, so BC must correspond to ED. That's good. All right, so I have corresponding parts labeled correctly here. So this represents a side, so BC gets a tick mark, and so does ED. Now we were told they're equal, so they're equal. All right, so this is going to be a side. All right, now when we look at this and we start looking at how to figure out which one of these, right, I will not go from this 30 around over to here and pick up that side, because I missed it. Skipped a side and an angle. It's too many parts that it skipped to get to the side. So I must go the other direction. I must start looking at this side, and I could look at this side. I can pick up the angle and the angle, but I don't have a SAA. So I have to go backwards and go AAS, right? Would correspond to the AAS in this triangle. You've already confirmed that the corresponding parts, were correct. Them in one triangle, figure out which direction you need to go. All right. So this one here has to be AAS. Okay.